Tom, why are you crying?
I knew this moment would come. I just didn't think it would happen so fast. I'm crying because my tenure as the leader of the Tom Club has ended. And now it's time for me to pick someone else to take the role. Let's see what my options are. Tom, or Tom? Tough decisions. I pick Tom! Hold back the tears, my friends, because at some point you are going to have to pass the leadership role on to someone else. In our world of dance floor theory, we call these people trending leaders. But don't worry, it's easier of a process than choosing what to watch on Netflix each night. The process of finding, picking, and training these people happens long before the actual transition. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what a trending leader is, how you can identify them, and how you can cultivate their leadership skills to be a part of your executive team and maybe even your successor. Let's get into it. For those of you who know me, you know that I am well known for our leadership program called Dance Floor Theory. And no, it's not just because I am such a great dancer.
Here I come.
Oh. I'm not. Dance Floor Theory trains leaders on how to identify and increase member engagement within their team, organization, or community. It's based on our engagement pyramid, which has 6 levels of engagement within any team, organization, or community. You, as the leaders, are up here as the 4s and 5s. And your least engaged members are down here as the 1s and the neutrals. For this video, however, we're gonna focus on the middle section, the 2s and the 3s, because that's where your trending leaders are hanging out. So what is a trending leader? Well, trending leaders are usually newish members of your team who are not only achieving good results, but they're also influencing the peers, the people around them. They're adapting to the challenges innovatively. They're embodying the values that define your culture. These are the folks who, with a little encouragement, can go from who are they to, wow, where have they been my entire leadership life?
Wow. Now that's vital information.
Their titles usually don't match their talent. This is why, in terms of the engagement pyramid, they are your 2s and your 3s. They are ready to do the work and have a larger capacity to take on more responsibilities. They might not yet, though, realize their own abilities, but with a little nudge, they will step into those more advanced roles very naturally. Did you hear that? I just gave you magic powers. Let me show you what I mean. How many of you are in your current leadership position right now because someone asked you to do it or suggested for you to do it? In looking out over the crowd, it looks like I see about 90% of your hands raised right now. Side note, I can't actually see your hands. You see, you were once a trending leader and someone gave you that nudge. That's the magic power. Trending leaders are waiting for you to ask them to step up. So ask them. But before you can ask them, you have to find them. So where do you find trending leaders? There are 4 characteristics of trending leaders that you should look out for. So let's break down each one. The first one is the helpers. They're the champions of going above and beyond. The way to spot these people is that the helpers embody the essence of play to win in every aspect of their role. These are the folks who, if you ask them to bring snacks to the meeting, will show up with a gourmet buffet. Hey everyone, I'm excited for the meeting today.
You are very funny.
they are not just confined by the job description or departmental boundaries. Instead, they venture out and offer their skills with enthusiasm wherever needed. Their hallmark is their willingness to volunteer for the toughest tasks. They bring this blend of excellence and reliability that elevates the entire team's performance. Look for the team members who are always ready to lend a hand and take the lead on the challenging project. From solving crises to rescuing that plant in your office that you never water, Tom. Poor plant. I know you're gonna recover soon. Hang in there, little buddy. Hang in there. You'll make it. They're the ones whose work consistently exceeds expectations and who naturally reach out across departments to offer support. Their knack for delivering timely, high-quality results, coupled with their eagerness to make additional responsibilities, makes them stand out as true champions. Next up are the unofficial captains. They are the ones who are leaders without the titles. Unofficial captains are the compass of your team. They're guiding without the formal authority. They're the go-to for advice, support, direction, or even when that printer jams again.
Why does it say pepper jam when there is no pepper jam?
Their calm demeanor in the face of challenges and their ability to offer solutions make them the central figure of any team. The way you can spot these people is you gotta pay close attention. During team interactions and meetings, they're the leaders who naturally facilitate the discussion, offer insight, contributions, listen attentively, and act as that bridge between the different members and different ideas. Their leadership is affirmed by respect and attention they command from their peers, even without the official leadership title. Next up, we have the lifelong learners. These are your advocates for growth. Your lifelong learners are the cornerstone of your team's continuous improvement. They don't just seek professional development, they are the torchbearers for collective growth. They're always hunting for new knowledge, new skills, and new experiences. Oh, I love to learn. Their proactive approach to learning and development sets a powerful example and lays the foundation for your team's future successes. The way you can spot these people is to observe those who are constantly involved in initiating new projects. They're often suggesting enhancements and they're actively looking for learning opportunities. Their quest for improvement is infectious, often motivating others to follow in their footsteps and contributing significantly to the team's evolving capabilities. Next up, we have the culture champions. These are the trendsetters of the team spirit. Culture champions are the heartbeat of your team's identity. They not only embrace, but also enrich the organizational culture through their actions and their attitude. Their contributions go beyond tasks. The way you can find these people is look for the individuals whose actions and attitudes match your team's culture. Using these 4 characteristics, you are able now to identify your trending leaders. And now that you've identified them, the next step is to actually start cultivating them to be the future leaders. So how do you cultivate these trending leaders? There are 5 ways you can cultivate the leadership skills in these trending leaders. The first way is through mentorship. Assign each trending leader to a mentor from among your seasoned leaders or executives who have been around the block. And no, I'm not talking about the J-Lo kind of block. This relationship provides them with a personal guidebook on navigating challenges and honing their leadership skills. Mentorship bridges that gap between potential and performance by offering personalized advice, sharing experiences, and helping them to set goals. The second way is through resource access. By empowering your training leaders with the tools and the resources they need to excel, this includes access to professional development courses, leadership workshops, and any other material that can expand their knowledge base. By investing in their growth, you're not just building leaders, you're nurturing the future of your organization. Make sure they know where to find these resources and encourage them to take full advantage of them. Unlike me, who never waters my plant. The third way is through challenges. I say throw that gauntlet down and present your trending leaders with challenges that push them outside their comfort zone. Whether it's leading a project, presenting in front of the executive team, or solving complex problems, these challenges will test and refine their abilities. It's through overcoming these obstacles that they're gonna gain the confidence and visibility within your organization. The fourth way is constructive feedback. Constructive feedback is the cornerstone of leadership development. You want to provide your trending leaders with regular, actionable feedback that highlights their strengths and areas of improvement. Feedback, a two-way street, encouraging them to share their thoughts and concerns with you while you share your thoughts and concerns with them. This ongoing dialogue fosters a culture of continuous improvement and open communication. And lastly, number 5 is involvement. Increase their involvement in decision-making process and strategic planning. Invite them to participate in meetings and discussions that are typically reserved for the higher levels. It's kind of like at Thanksgiving when you invite the kid to come sit at the grown-ups table. What? I'm so excited to be here. This inclusion not only values their input, but also gives them a broader understanding of the organization's directions and challenges. By focusing on mentorship, resource accesses, new challenges, offering feedback, and increasing their involvement, you're not just cultivating leaders, you're ensuring the legacy and the continuity of a dynamic leadership within your organization for the long term. And there you have it. We just went on a whirlwind tour through the process of identifying and nurturing the future leaders hidden among us. Tom. Remember, it's not just about spotting those trending leaders. It's about shaping their journey from enthusiastic participants to pivotal leaders. So keep your eyes peeled for the helpers, the unofficial captains, the lifelong learners, and the culture champions within your team, organization, or community. They're the future of your organization. They're waiting for that signal, like the bat signal.
I think I hear the bat signal.
To step into the light and lead. Here's to the leaders of tomorrow. May your guidance turn their potential into the power that propels the whole team forward. And if you like this video, I recommend that you hit that subscribe button and follow all of our videos where we're constantly giving you tips and strategies on how you can better build what we call a culture of connection within your team, organization, or community. And my name is Tom, and I'm here to help you to engage the people on your dance floor. I'll see you in the next video.